The DP-12 is a bullpup 12-gauge pump-action double-barreled shotgun designed by Standard MFG Co. It has two tube magazines which each feed their own barrel. Each magazine tube can hold up to 7 2.75-inch, 70 mm, 12-gauge shot shells or 6 3-inch, 76 mm, shotgun shells. Operation. The Standard MFG Co. DP-12 shotgun is a manually operated, pump, slide, action weapon. The first trigger pull fires the right barrel and the second fires the left. The sliding forend is connected to the bolt by dual operating bars. Ammunition is fed from two independent magazine tubes, located below the barrels. Rounds are loaded into the magazines through a large loading/ejection port, located at the bottom rear of the gun in the stock, behind the pistol grip. Empty shells are ejected down through the same port. The safety is a cross-bolt manual safety button located above the grip. This, coupled with the center loading and ejection, makes the gun fully ambidextrous. Sighting equipment is not included, but iron sights and slash or red dot sights can be installed using the standard Picatinny rail located above the barrels. A second Picatinny rail at the bottom of the slide is installed for the forward grip end, for installation of other accessories. Chokes. The barrels come threaded with a true choke thread pattern and two flush mount spreader choke tubes. There are two optional chokes from the manufacturer, the doorbuster tactical choke and stiletto choke. DP-12. Type bullpup pump-action shotgun. Place of origin United States. Production history. Manufacturer Standard MFG Co. Unit cost $1,395, MSRP. Produced 2015 present. Variants Gold. The works. Specifications. Weight 9.3 pounds, 4.2 kilograms. Length 29.5 in, 75 centimeters. Height 7 in, 18 centimeters. Cartridge 12 gauge, 2 3/4 shells. Caliber 12 gauge. Action pump action. Feed system 7+7+2, 2 3/4, dual internal tube. Sights. Iron sights are not standard.
Please subscribe and thanks for watching.